Have you ever been jolted awake by a sudden leg cramp? That sharp, twisting pain that grabs your calf in the middle of the night and refuses to let go? You're not alone. But what if the answer isn't in a pill, but in your kitchen? Today, we're diving into the top 3 foods that can help stop leg cramps in their tracks and keep your muscles strong and pain-free, especially if you're over 60. Stick with me, because these foods might surprise you. Before we jump in, drop a comment and let us know where you're watching from. We love seeing our community from all around the world. In this video, you'll discover 3 simple, natural foods that help prevent muscle cramps, strengthen aging muscles, and boost your day-to-day mobility. These aren't fancy superfoods or expensive supplements, just everyday items with powerful benefits. Be sure to watch until the very end, where I'll share real-life tips on how to easily add them into your daily routine. And hey, if you're finding this topic helpful already, go ahead and tap that like button. Let's start with one of the most underestimated power foods out there, eggs. Most people don't realize it, but eggs are like a secret weapon against muscle cramps and age-related weakness. Sure, they're a breakfast staple, but they're so much more than that. Eggs are loaded with muscle-supporting nutrients that can help stop those painful nighttime cramps and restore strength to aging muscles. Here's why. They're packed with protein, vitamins, and nutrients that support nerve balance, 3 major factors that help keep cramps away. As we age, we naturally start to lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. It usually starts around age 40 and speeds up after 65. That's when muscles start to feel weaker, slower, and more prone to cramping, even without much physical effort. But a single large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality, easy-to-digest protein, just what aging muscles need to rebuild and recover. And unlike heavy meats, eggs are gentle on digestion, affordable, and easy to prepare, especially when your appetite or gut isn't what it used to be. Quick pause. If you're enjoying this, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss a health tip that could make your daily life easier. Like the video, drop a comment with your favorite egg recipe, and be sure to share this with a friend or loved one who might also be dealing with leg cramps. And don't forget to check out our other videos on senior health and wellness. We've got tons of helpful tips waiting for you. Now, here's something most people forget. Eggs are also a great source of vitamin D. This fat-soluble vitamin plays a huge role in how your muscles relax and contract. It helps your body absorb calcium, which is crucial for proper muscle movement. It also helps your nervous system function more smoothly, reducing those misfiring signals that can lead to painful muscle spasms. The problem? As we get older, most of us don't get enough vitamin D, mostly because we spend less time in the sun. But just one egg yolk gives you around 40 IU of vitamin D. It's not a huge dose on its own, but when combined with other sources like fatty fish or fortified dairy, it becomes a key part of your daily defense against cramps. And there's more. Eggs are rich in vitamin B12, a nutrient essential for nerve and muscle function. If you've ever felt tingling in your hands or feet, numbness, or unexplained cramps, especially at night, low B12 might be part of the problem. B12 helps maintain healthy nerve communication, supports red blood cell production, and keeps muscles oxygenated. But here's the catch. B12 absorption decreases with age, and many common medications, like metformin or antacids, can make it worse. That's why eggs are such a great solution. They're not only rich in B12, but the B12 they contain is highly bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use it easily. Regularly eating eggs can help protect your nerve function, reduce nighttime cramps, and improve muscle strength over time. Are eggs safe every day? Now you might be wondering, can I really eat eggs every day? What about cholesterol? Great question. The truth is, most modern research shows that for healthy older adults, eating up to 6 or 7 eggs per week is not only safe, it can actually be good for your heart and overall health. In fact, replacing processed meats or frozen ready meals with eggs is a smart choice for most seniors. That said, if you have high cholesterol, kidney issues, or poorly controlled diabetes, you should talk with your healthcare provider to make sure eggs fit into your diet safely. Eggs and nighttime cramps. Let's talk about night cramps, those painful, sleep-stealing spasms that strike out of nowhere. They often happen when your muscles don't have enough nutrients to properly recover while you rest. This is where eggs shine. Eating an egg-based meal in the morning or evening, like a light omelette or poached egg, gives your body protein to repair muscles, vitamin D to aid relaxation, B12 to protect nerves, and even a bit of calcium to help muscle contraction. All in one simple, tasty package. So if your legs are cramping at night and keeping you from a restful sleep, eggs might be just what your body needs. How to eat more eggs. Need ideas to get more eggs into your day? Try breakfast, soft-boiled, scrambled with herbs, or veggie omelette. Lunch, a hearty salad with sliced hard-boiled eggs. Dinner, a poached egg over steamed greens or roasted veggies. It doesn't have to be boring. Eggs are not just a food, they're a nutrient-packed recovery tool, designed to meet the needs of aging muscles and nerves. Segue to food number 2. Alright, eggs definitely deserve a spot on your plate. But what's another natural remedy that works wonders for muscle cramps, especially if they're caused by dehydration or electrolyte imbalance? Let me introduce you to the banana, a sweet, simple fruit that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. You might not think of a banana as anything more than a quick snack, but for seniors, this humble fruit is a muscle-saving powerhouse. First, bananas are incredibly hydrating. Did you know they're about 75% water? That makes them great for helping your body stay hydrated, especially your muscle cells. And since mild dehydration is a common reason for cramps, especially in older adults, this is a big deal. Bananas also help balance sodium, another crucial electrolyte that your muscles need to contract and relax properly. If your sodium levels get too high or too low, your muscles can cramp up or lock in pain. So, how many bananas should you eat? For most seniors, 1 banana a day is enough to support muscle health. But if you're someone who deals with frequent leg cramps, eating 2 bananas a day may provide even more relief. Now, for those managing diabetes, you might wonder, what about the sugar in bananas? It's true, bananas are naturally sweet. But when eaten in moderation and paired with fiber-rich foods like nuts or plain Greek yogurt, the sugar is absorbed more slowly. That means less of a spike in your blood sugar and a longer-lasting energy boost. So whether it's after a hot day, after a walk, or before bed, a banana might be just what your muscles need to relax and recover. Thanks to their unique combo of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, bananas work on all fronts: muscle contractions, nerve signals, fluid balance, and recovery. A simple habit that can go a long way. Food number 3, nuts and seeds. Now, let's talk about something crunchy, nuts and seeds. While bananas and green veggies usually get the spotlight for potassium and magnesium, nuts and seeds are hidden gems, especially when it comes to preventing muscle cramps in seniors. They're nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, and great for blood flow, muscle recovery, and nerve support. So why are cramps more common as we age? As you know, aging causes muscle loss, sarcopenia, which makes muscles more prone to fatigue, dehydration, and electrolyte imbalance. Add to that a drop in magnesium and potassium, and you've got the perfect setup for night cramps and muscle spasms. But here's where nuts and seeds shine. They're loaded with magnesium, one of the key minerals for muscle relaxation. Even a slight deficiency can cause frequent spasms or poor nerve-muscle coordination. Here are some magnesium-rich picks, per 1 ounce or 28 g. Pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams, about 40% of your daily needs. Almonds, 77 milligrams. Cashews, 74 milligrams. Just a small handful a day can go a long way toward preventing cramps naturally and deliciously. And don't forget potassium. Pistachios, 290 milligrams. Almonds, 200 milligrams. Cashews, 160 milligrams. These help restore electrolytes lost through sweat, urination, or even certain medications, helping you avoid cramps after a workout or in the middle of the night. More benefits of nuts and seeds. But wait, there's more. Nuts and seeds are also full of healthy fats, including omega-3s and monounsaturated fats. These good fats do 3 amazing things. 1. Reduce muscle inflammation linked to chronic pain or arthritis. 2. Improve circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles. 3. Support muscle repair, so your body recovers faster after any activity. For example, walnuts are rich in omega-3s, while almonds and cashews boost HDL, the good cholesterol, and help reduce inflammation. They're also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and selenium, which help protect your muscles and nerves from oxidative stress, slow down age-related damage, and ease recovery. Here's a quick cheat sheet of the best nuts and seeds for cramp prevention. Pumpkin seeds, magnesium powerhouse. Almonds, double duty, magnesium plus potassium. Pistachios, potassium champions. Cashews, circulation-boosting fats. Walnuts, omega-3 heroes. To get the full range of benefits, mix it up. A varied handful daily gives your muscles everything they need to stay strong and pain-free. How much should you eat? Aim for about 1 ounce per day, that's a small handful or about 2 tablespoons of seeds. Best times to eat them? At breakfast, sprinkled on oatmeal or yogurt. At lunch or dinner, added to salads or roasted veggies. After a walk or workout, to replenish electrolytes. Before bed, to calm your muscles and support deep sleep. Now, a few precautions. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so stick to the recommended portion. Choose unsalted, dry roasted, or raw varieties, avoid salted or oil roasted. If you have allergies or sensitive digestion, start slow and observe how your body reacts. But all in all, nuts and seeds are so much more than snacks. They're a real nutritional shield for seniors, working on every level to reduce cramps, improve circulation, protect your nerves, and help you stay strong. So, let's recap. If you want to naturally reduce or even eliminate muscle cramps as you age, add these 3 foods to your daily diet. 1. Eggs, for muscle repair and nerve health. 2. Bananas, to restore hydration and electrolytes. 3. Nuts and seeds, for magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory power. They're simple. They're tasty. And they work. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated routines. Just make these foods part of your day and let your body thank you in the form of fewer cramps and better energy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel and helps others discover these tips. Got a question, a story, or a health topic you'd love us to cover next? Drop it in the comments below. We read every one. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our next senior-focused health video. Take care, stay active, stay informed, and we'll see you very soon with more tips for aging well and living fully.